Good morning, guys. Oh man alive, I am knackered. I feel like I wasn't as tired when I came home from traveling. This is ridiculous. Jet lag was so much easier than this. I think it's gone after 8:30 or something like that. It's probably 9:15 now. I gotta go down and get a coffee. So, stop yawning, start working, and then call into the apartment. So what I'm gonna do is upload a video, or I'm all lost with the days because we had a bank holiday Monday this week, obviously. Monday I thought was Sunday, and I was supposed to upload yesterday, which was Wednesday, but I didn't realise it was Wednesday. I thought it was Tuesday because I'm out of sorts from the bank holiday weekend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a video today for you guys, and then I have a little bit of work to do, edit yesterday's vlog. I don't even know if I have enough footage in it for a day of vlogging, but it'll have to be put up anyway because I don't like running like 3, 4, 5 days together. 2 days is like the most I like running together. After that it just starts getting a bit ridiculous unless you're doing a weekly vlog. And last night John and I were filling the walls at like 11:30 at night because that's what you do. That's what you do. Also, my hair is just disgusting. I'm not even washing it. I know that sounds really gross, but every single day I go back into the apartment it just gets manky, so when I wash it the mankiness comes back. There's just no point in washing it. I have a hair appointment tomorrow, so I'm just gonna let Vicky do her magic and sort out my hair.
Hello, Chewy. Look at you underneath your blanket. Hello. Hi. Hello. Oh, you're the cutest little boy ever. Yes, you are. Chewy got all his hair cut off, and he's so pretty. So pretty and lighter, aren't you, Chew? You feel like 10 pounds lighter.
Just made yesterday's vlog live there now, and if you want another vlog the day before is up there as well. I still need to edit a thumbnail for this vlog, so I've spent all afternoon editing this as well, and it's finally saved and ready to upload, so you will see that tomorrow if you want to find out what my favourite palettes are. Oh, I feel so good now. I'm so happy I got my work done. I feel like I've made so much progress today and I feel so much happier. Could I say so any more times? I need to go and sort my life out right now, get into old clothes and head down to the apartment because I have a lot of work to do. I know I look like death warmed up, guys. I look horrendous, but guys, I have been pulling and dragging out of an apartment for the last week, so actually 2 weeks, so please ignore my appearance. John just rang me with the best news ever. He was like, I'm bringing you out for dinner tonight. I was like, yes. I was just saying that in bed last night. I was like, I really just want to do something nice this evening, so he's bringing me out for dinner. He's going for a swim at 5:45. I'm going to hang out in the apartment, just finish my painting, maybe start on my mosaic, and then I'm going to go home, have a shower, get ready for dinner. He's coming over to mine then for a shower because he's going for a swim with one of his friends, and he'll be close to my house, so he's going to come here and get ready, and then we're going to go out for dinner and then come home and watch Game of Thrones. I can't believe how excited I am about that because I'm excited not to be in the apartment till midnight tonight. And then one of my friends, Neve, just texted me. She wants to meet up tomorrow, so we're going for a walk, which will be great just to kind of like refresh my mind and kind of get my mind off something onto something else. And then Saturday, I think that's the plan, when we're going to IKEA. And I found out the name of the other place that I was like trying to figure out the name of the other day. I actually saved it. Home Sense. I don't know why I keep calling it Home Store more, but Home Sense out in Blanchardstown. Gonna go there on Saturday, then make our way out to IKEA. Sure, why not? Right beside it. I'm gonna go into Heaton's, I think, at some stage today because I need to get like, you know, like soap dispensers and stuff, and I just put them aside just to have them for the bathroom. At least I'll know everything's there, and get towels and stuff, so at least I know I have my towels, my bath mat, my soap dispenser and stuff like that ready. I was trying to get a beautiful soap dispenser, hang on, I'll show you, from Matalan. I was so bloody excited about this, and then I realised Matalan only deliver to the UK, so I'm devo.com. They don't deliver to Ireland. So what I might do is I might get these products shipped to Dylan, my cousin. He lives in London, and then he can send them over because I checked everywhere and these are the most affordable products ever. Now this is so boring, but if you're into bathroom wear, this is just like the highlight of my day, and I'm devo that Matalan don't ship to Ireland, so I might use a shipping service, but it could be easier just to ship to my cousin's, you know, home in London, and then he just shipped them on to me. So this is what I wanted to get, the marble effect tumbler, and then I wanted to get a dispenser, and then obviously a toilet brush. Not very exciting, but they were so affordable. Look at the price, like €3, €4 and €8. They were super affordable. It was only coming to £15. It's about €20. And one of these soap dispensers I've seen in TK Maxx are about like €16-17 each. So the fact I could get it for £4 on Matalan was just amazing. But they don't ship to Ireland, so I'm having a nightmare. This is just a mare. Oh, because look, I found them on Dunnes Stores, but they're €25 each, and then the tumbler was 18. And I know they're not going to be as great a quality. They could be plastic from Matalan. They don't look too bad a quality. They look pretty decent. I know the ones from Dunnes are going to be super amazing quality, because Dunnes have really good, you know, things like that. But for the price of it, like a brush holder for €35, seriously, like it's just cleaning the toilet. It doesn't need to be that expensive. There's one there for €8, but they don't have matching toilet roll holders, so I might just get that in the end, because I think the other one might be a struggle. But I'm not giving up on Matalan quite yet. If I have to, I'll go with the other ones, but it just seems like a better fit. These, they look nicer as well. Okay, another boring thing, but I just bought this bath mat because it is grey. I got this little wall art, this little perfume canvas. It was only €2, so I said I'd get it as well. And then I got a little heart to hang on the door just outside the bathroom. This one here, the little grey one as well. So I just picked those 3 items up, and then I'm still working on the other bits and bobs. And I have loads of candles and flowers and stuff from when I was living in my other house. Also guys, look what I have. My keys to the apartment. They come on a big long rope. I'm going to get something a little bit more attractive than this, because there's a top lock and a bottom lock, and you need to unlock them at the same time to push the door in. Very complicated, but I have my own keys. I am super excited. I got my pretty little thing ordered today as well. I got a basic top, what you call it, one of those bodies. A body suit. I love these. It's just a basic black one. I always get these from Pretty Little Thing because they come in a thong style, and I just hate the underwear because you get the panty line. And then I got these pair of jeans that were only €18, and I opened them this morning. I really like them. The only thing I'm not crazy about is the legs on them, but they're just full of rips, so I absolutely love that style of them. But the legs on them are a bit wide, you know, like you need to roll them up in order to get them a little bit tighter to your legs. They're not like skinny, but they were €18. I mean, who cares? And they are just such a gorgeous style. I just love the rips in them. I just think they're really cool. So I'm gonna put this outfit on today. Well, I just said it arrived, I may as well wear it, and then bring in old clothes with me to change when I get to the apartment. I just love the style of these. They're really nice. Pretty Little Things jeans are my new favourite jeans. I think the style might be on them here somewhere. Hang on, just if you are wondering what they're called. So they are the light wash ripped style leg. That's them jean. And just if you're looking for the play suit, it's called the, or if you're looking for the bodysuit, it's called the Petite Black Slinky Square Neck Thong Bodysuit. There you go, guys. Just if you're wondering what those 2 items are. Nothing too exciting, basic, but happy out with them. So that's my little outfit for the day. I really like this little body suit. These are the jeans, and then you saw I had to roll them up at the bottom. I really like these jeans. They're so nice. I love the pattern on them and the rips in the knees. I just think they're so cute. So now I'm going to get myself into the car, go get diesel. I think I'm going to go to Penny's and then sort my life out. So I need to go to Deals now. I need to get little tiny rollers for, you know, when you're doing like detail work on the walls, when you're rolling the walls, and also we're doing paneling, and I feel like a little roller would be the best thing for that. So that's my plan. Now I'm going to bring my charger with me because my battery's flashing at me, and we have electricity in the apartment now, so I can charge it there. Now doggies, are you going to move out of the way? Chewy and Maud are oh my god, lads, come on, out of the way. I had to beat them because my neighbour was coming out, and I didn't want to like have the dogs get run over either, because you know the way sometimes you just can't see. She's driving a Jeep and you might not see the little doggies. I had to get them to move out of the way. It's warm out today, but there is that feel of autumn in the air. I can sense it and feel it coming on, and I am living for it. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with autumn. It's like my favourite season of the year. I love autumn so much. I know everyone's all about summer and all about that, but I am so living for the autumn. I love when the leaves are changing and falling off the trees and Halloween is coming. Oh! Stranger Things season 3 will be back, and just everything just comes together in the autumn time. I love it. And then you're like rolling on into winter, and then it'll be my birthday and I'll be in a different country, which I'm so excited about. How bloody thrilling is that? So I got my little rollers, and I also got a wrap because I'm starving. It's a chicken Caesar wrap. It was so delicious. And I got this weird coffee thing as well. Good morning, my loves. It's just after 11. Went out for dinner last night and it was lovely. I met two of, God, Richie knows. I met two of John's friends last night, Paul and Rory, their girlfriends, and they were so nice. Really, really nice to go out for dinner. We went out at 7:30, then didn't leave till well after 10. And it was just really nice to meet them, and I just feel like it was just lovely. I'm supposed to be meeting Neve today, but I actually haven't a clue what time. I feel like it's around lunchtime because I need to obviously continue working here. John's finishing up working in the apartment early today, and then he's going for a swim tonight, and I'm gonna go meet Neve and go for a walk with her, and then I'm gonna meet my mom. My mom and I are going up to a new store that opened up. It's like a homeware store, and I got a leaflet for it yesterday in the mail. We said we'd go up to this new homeware store to see what it's like. I don't actually know what it's like, but it's supposed to be like a sister company of B&M. And if you live in the UK, you'll know what B&M is. Every single time I'm watching a YouTuber and they're talking about B&M, I was like, why don't we have one of them in Ireland? But we're getting like the sister company, or the equivalent of it, here in Ireland, and they've just started opening. I think they just started opening like down in Limerick, and now they're kind of moving up the country. So one opened up near where I live, so that's excellent. Show you what the progress is like on the bathroom, because John's made great progress on the bathroom. It looks really, really, really nice. It looks super. I'm wearing a ring that I wore out last night, and I should really take it off because I'll have paint all over it. I'm just after seeing it there. Not that I'm after seeing it there, it's just noticed it on my hand, and I was like, Jesus, I'll take that off. A bit of a shower and a half. So yeah, there's not a whole lot going on today. John and I nearly finished season 1. Excuse me. Oh my god, I can't talk. Nearly finished season 1 of Game of Thrones. We watched 2 more episodes last night, so I think we're on like episode 8 now. And I'm just like, oh, it's getting really good. It's getting really good. Because I often think like season 1 is just like the introduction to Game of Thrones and kind of getting introduced to the families, obviously. And then like season 2 and 3 and stuff is when like all the stuff just starts happening, and people you love starts just dying, and it's just awful. Awful. How did I forget my keys? How did this happen, lads? Oh no, wait, no, I didn't forget my keys. They're on this string that John gave them to me on, because I told you yesterday about them. There's like a lock on the top and a lock on the bottom, and you have to kind of like unlock them at the same time. But I ordered something cuter off eBay. It was Disney, obviously, and I got like cute little things to put on my keys. Oh, I'm so tired, guys. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. I just need a big nap, and I wouldn't mind, but I slept really well last night, and it's after 11, like, so I had a really good lie-in. John stayed over last night, and the two of us didn't get up till after 11 and had a great lie-in, but now I'm tired all over again. I think I'll give you a little tour or show you what exactly John has done with the bathroom, because I am super impressed with him. He's done such an amazing job. Wait till you see this. Now when you come into the bathroom, obviously around the toilet still needs to be cleaned and stuff, it's full of dirt, but look at the surround and the ceiling. So yeah, John did all the paneling around the toilet, which still needs to kind of be hammered in and stuff like that, and it's going to be painted white, and he still needs to do it in here and just a little bit down here, and then that's done, and I'm going to paint it. And then we have the grey walls, obviously, but he patched up any area that was kind of like there was holes coming and needed to be patched up, so they're all done. Obviously it has its first coat of grey, and it's going to get a second coat because it's messy. I knew that would happen. And then the ceiling is sealed with mold proof resistant paint as well, because obviously there's going to be steam and stuff in here. But he did the whole ceiling all by himself, and he did such a good job because it was really bad, as you guys can remember, and this room is not straight, so there's that. But I am super happy with how the progress is coming along. It will look so much better once it's done, obviously, but for now it looks pretty good. Look what my mom got for all. This is the cutest kettle ever for the apartment. I am so excited. It's copper. Look how cute it is. It's like a rose gold coppery color. I am obsessed. It's so pretty. You have to boil it apparently before you drink out of it. So mum was like, you have to boil it twice before you use it. But isn't that not the cutest kettle ever? I'm obsessed. And look at the lid. It has a little diamond on the top. There's a matching toaster as well, she was saying. So we'll probably get that too. But obviously no countertops. Ooh, look at me breaking everything. I have no countertops to put the toaster on yet. So that is the cutest kettle ever. Oh my god, I love it. Hey guys, I'm home. I am knackered beyond belief, tired. So I've just run myself a bath and I'm gonna put a face mask on and hop in and just relax for the evening. I'm sick of being tired now because it's just, I guess, like tough work trying to do an apartment. It's tough work. But look at my pretty bath. All my soapy water. My sudsy water. So I'm gonna get in and my cat and Diet Coke with me in the bath and then gonna watch YouTube videos because that is the most ideal thing to do right now. So I'm gonna love yous and leave yous and I'll talk to all you guys in tomorrow's video. I'm gonna go for a nice long bath, soak, and then get into bed. It's not even 9:30, but I'm just so tired and I just need a rest. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for more fun and excitement. Mwah. Bye guys.